So you've got car hire, £12 each day plus £40. How much it costs into a half for 8 days? So it's £12, so it'll be 12 times 8. So that's how much it costs for each day. That's 96. And he's got £40, so then you have to add on 40 onto that, and that will give you £136. Edward can afford to spend 200. What's the maximum number of days he can afford the car? Well, I need to work out how many days. I could do it by trial and error, but if I think plus the 100 plus the 40, so if I do 200, take away that 40, then this will say he's got 160, and that's so we can see how many days fit in that. I've got to find out how many 12s go into that. So I want to do 160 divided by 12, and that equals 13.3333. And the maximum number, so that's not my answer. It can't do 14 days because that would be too much money, but it can do 13 days. Okay, we've got scale drawing now, and 1 centimetre is 4 kilometres. Measure the bearing of the car hire depot from the hotel. It says from the hotel, so that's where I have to measure the angle from. And your bearings you measure from north, so I need to draw a north line on there. I'm going to label it north, and I've got to measure it all the way around until I get to it, until I get to that thing. So what I'm going to do, I need to measure that angle there, and on mine it's 146 degrees. So you count around from 0 degrees at the top, and then count your protractor 10, 20, etc. to 140. What is the real distance from the car hire depot to the hotel? Well, I measure the distance. I get 4.5 centimetres, but each centimetre represents 4 kilometres, so times that by 4 to get the number of kilometres. I get 18. And Edward's going to visit a cathedral. It's 30 kilometres away, and I'm going to have to divide that by 4 to find out how many centimetres. So that'll be 7.5 centimetres. And write it down here as well, because you should get a mark for that. On a bearing of 285 degrees from the hotel. So that means I've got to start at the north line by the hotel and go all the way around. And if I take it right down to the bottom here, that's 180 degrees. So I've now got to go another 105 degrees to get to what I need. So 105 degrees will go something up here. And then I have to measure 7.5 centimetres, and it's somewhere around here. But that distance should be 7.5 centimetres, and the whole angle all the way around there will be 285 degrees. And you're allowed a couple of degrees either side of that. And that's question 10 done.